Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Beelink's A8 Mini PC. Beelink's A8 Mini PC comes with 4K Ultra High Definition streaming capability, giving you a best-in-class television experience with true-to-life picture quality, which can be used as a media center to enjoy TV shows or games. Support 4K Dual HDMI makes it easy to connect two monitors at the same time, and you can expand working windows, mirror content, or expand a single window across multiple monitors. A8 comes with 8th General Intel Coffee Lake i5-8279U 2.4 GHz, Turbo 4.1 GHz, 4 cores 8 threads, supports 6M Intel Smart Cache, 14 nanometers lithography technology. It runs faster than i5-8259, i5-5257, i3-10110, i3-5005, J4205, etc. chips. A fast and smooth and power-saving mini PC, it can satisfy your diverse scenarios used such as entertainment, games, office, education industry, etc. Equipped with the latest wireless connection, Wi-Fi 5, the transmission speed is up to 2,400 megabits per second, and the delay is reduced by about 75%. Greatly improve wireless network performance and maintain stable and reliable Wi-Fi speed, refuse to freeze. Mini PC Beelink's A8 is pre-installed with Windows 10 Pro and Windows 11 Pro, both systems are shipped randomly. If you receive Windows 10 Pro, you can contact us to upgrade Windows 11 Pro. Our second best mini PC is Apple Mac Mini. Apple's Mac Mini is a good choice for Mac users and is both incredibly compact and portable. There are two storage sizes to choose from, 256GB and 512GB, and both come with 8GB of RAM, which is more than enough for work from home needs as long as your job does not require heavy video editing. You also get Apple's M1 chip, which has faster processing times and lower fan speeds. Apple claims that the M1 chip has faster graphics processing for clear visuals, so performance will be quick, fast, and powerful. The Mac OS operating system is also very user-friendly and intuitive, with hundreds of useful apps and excellent privacy settings, making it an excellent choice for beginners who don't have much experience building PCs and simply need something to get their day-to-day work done. Third in our list is Beelink's Air 3 Mini PC. This PC powered with Ryzen 7 3750H CPU, which can turn your desk into a powerful workstation just by adding a keyboard, mouse. Pre-installed with Windows 11 without any bloatware. We will guide you to install Windows 10 Pro system if you need. Easy to set up and small in size. Beelink's Air Mini computer is equipped with 1x Type-C, 2x HDMI, 4x USB 3.0, 1x Gigabit Ethernet, 3.5mm audio jack. Supports Wi-Fi, Gigabit Ethernet RJ45 network connectivity, Bluetooth 4.0, metal frame and fan design also help this mini PC work better and efficient heat dissipation. 3 4K display output via dual HDMI and Type-C, which enable you to multitask easily, stream 4K video playback, web surfing, business office, and light games. They can do it all desktop into another dimension. The design of fan and heat dissipation holes can dissipate heat quickly when you play game, which will protect the mini PC. Mini compact size allows you easily fixed to the back of the monitor. When you have a travel, meeting or speech, you can take it anywhere. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best mini PC list is Comru Mini PC. This mini computer was pre-installed Windows 10 Pro. With the modern light feature, blue light while running, red light while standby. Just plug in devices running and ready for you to use simply by opening it up. Equipped with Intel HD Graphics 500 support 4K HD. Easy to enjoy web surfing and 4K video playback, or connect to your projector as a home theater. Enjoy a variety of entertainment. Work and play your way virtually anywhere. The small computer standout from other mini PCs is that it has an empty expansion bay to allow adding a 2.5-inch SSD or HDD. Comes with 2 HDMI ports connecting dual monitors easily, simplifying and doubling your work efficiency. Also, the VESA mount can free you from the messy desktop. It is convenient to hide the mini desktop PC on the back of the monitor or HD TV. Easily switch back and forth between more applications with 8GB DDR3 memory and 128GB mSATA solid-state drive storage. Very fast and no lagging or jumping. The latest wireless connectivity with 802.11 acres dual-band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, offers speeds up to 450 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and 1300 megabits per second on the 5 GHz that provide double newly faster internet experience for browsing, streaming, gaming. Rich interfaces staying connected with multiple devices like projector, NAS, monitor, keyboard, mouse, tablet and office equipment. Ideal for industrial and commercial applications. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Chewy Windows 10 Mini Desktop Computer. Chewy HeroBox Windows 10 Mini PC equips with Intel Celeron J4125 processor, 4-core 4-thread. Base frequency 2.0 GHz, burst frequency 2.7 GHz. High-performance processor is more responsive when loading apps, opening files. 14 nanometers process and 10 watts TDP design ensure this works well with low power consumption. This mini gaming PC equipped with 256GB SSD and 2.5-inch HDD can fully cover your storage needs. 8GB LPDDR4 memory improves 50% transmission frequency, which enables snappy and seamless switch between different tasks. Dual-band Wi-Fi supports 2.4G/5G frequency band. 5G delivers ultimate fast internet speed, while 2.4G goes for more stable connection. With RJ45 gigabit Ethernet which can transfer data at more than 1000 megabits per second. The mini desktop computer adopt Intel UHD Graphics 600 comes with 12 execution units clock up to 750 MHz, which had 4K ultra high definition streaming capability giving you a best-in-class television experience with true-to-life picture quality, which can be used as a media center to enjoy TV shows or games. The ability to connect with two monitors with HD 2.0 and VGA output greatly improves work efficiency.